Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Chicken curry is everyone's favorite. For building your muscle, good amount of protein is needed and chicken is one of the best option for that. 100 grams of chicken contains 31 grams of protein. This incredible chicken curry will recollect your grandma's touch. The special masala which I am going to show you will enhance the taste of this curry. The trick which I am going to show you at the end will take your curry to the heavenly taste. Don't miss this trick. Watch the video till the end. You can have this chicken curry for lunch or dinner. It goes well with rice, roti, quinoa or even millets. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a mixer jar, take 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2-inch cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 4 cloves, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, half teaspoon peppercorns, half teaspoon sound and 2-inch ginger and 12 garlic pods. Cover the lid and grind into a smooth masala paste. Into a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of wood pressed coconut oil and heat it. Then add few curry leaves, 2 bay leaves and saute it for a second. Then add 2 big onion slices, 2 green chilies and the pieces of 10 to 12 shallots and fry till the onions turn into golden brown in color. Then add 1 tablespoon of pink salt and fry it again. Then add the grounded masala paste into it and fry till the raw smell from the masala goes out. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder into it and mix the powders well with the masala. Then add 3 tomatoes puree into it and mix the tomato puree well with the onion masala and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. Then add 750 grams of chicken into it and mix it well till the chicken is well coated with the onion tomato mixture and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. After 15 minutes, open the lid and see the chicken is half cooked now. Then mix it well once. Then add 1 cup of water into it and cook for 20 minutes on a low flame till the water is completely absorbed. Then here comes the final trick that will take your curry to the next level. Add 1 teaspoon of wood pressed coconut oil and heat it. Then add 2 red chilies, 6 to 8 shallots, few curry leaves and 1 small tomato slices into it and fry all these things well till golden brown in color. And add this tadka to the prepared curry and mix it well gently. Yeah, it's done. Now our delicious, authentic, incredible and protein rich chicken curry is ready to serve. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.